Dawn, you have said ESG matters a lot to Soros. Why?
I think we can really affect behavior because we own things at the security level, and I think that matters. Obviously, the foundation that we manage money for is, and being aligned.
The Open Society Foundation.
And I should step back. So the Open Society Foundation is the single largest private funder of human rights initiatives in the world. Their mission is focused on transparency of information, government accountability, promoting democracy, equitable allocation of resources. And it's important to me and the team that the way we invest is consistent with their values. And as an investor, if you're not focused on these factors and these issues, I think you really risk being in stranded assets and being in assets where the cost of capital for those who aren't doing the right thing is going to ratchet higher at an exponential rate, and vice versa for companies that are doing the right thing by society, cost of capital is getting cheaper.
For those trying to figure out how to think about ESG, what is the right way to think about it? Is it the right thing to do ethically? Is it a way to achieve progress or specific outcomes? Or is it just a way to hedge or mitigate externalities? What's the right way?
So I think it's all of the above. First of all, when ESG first came out, it was about your exclusion list. That is not what ESG is about. From our perspective, it's about both creating the technologies that will allow a smooth transition. So investing in companies like Rivian and battery and EV is really important to us. And then it's also about taking your existing public companies and forcing a level of transparency, both in terms of greenhouse gas exposure, what their plan is to transition to net zero by 2050. When it comes to diversity, equity, and inclusion, again, shining a light, asking them to disclose what their company looks like. And from our perspective, the more transparency there is, the quicker the progress we will make.
Do they listen? Do those companies listen? Do they answer? I know why they listen and answer to BlackRock, because BlackRock has $10 trillion. Do they listen and answer to you?
I think they do, and I think we're trying to be partners. So we're not just saying, hey, check this box and we'll go away. We're trying to work with them in terms of credible plans. We're telling them why this is important to us. And for us, this really is about outcomes, not about checking a box. And I think they appreciate that. And I think every CEO or CFO we talk to genuinely wants help on this journey. And I think we can be part of that.